Don't know what you can see, don't know how much battery I've got left, but anyway. This petrol cap on the MPI Mini is a little bit goosed. The key just won't turn it. I've turned the key so much it's about to snap, so rather than snap it in there, I've withdrawn from that method. I filled it with WD-40, it's soaked for hours, still not budging. So, anyway, what I'm going to do is try a few different methods, but basically, I know I'm going to have to either drill it out or try, if I can do, and get this out. So I don't know if I can. I'm going to try and pull the barrel out first. So that's going to be method one. A couple of different methods, as you can see by the number of tools I've got here. Put them on the wall. Maybe first I'll try and turn it. No, maybe first I'll try and turn it just with a screwdriver. Just put it in and see if it will turn. Break it anyway. Push it in. That's not really having it. What will we try? Try some of these grips on it as well. Try the bigger screwdriver. All that going. If not, I will just pull this off, by the way. I'll just rag it off. That's the other method. Just rag this thing off. Because it's only plastic behind and I can just grab the thing. That's the other method. But I'll try and get the barrel out next. It's not going to work. So the next method is just trying to pick the barrel out. I'm not really treating my tools very well, am I? Shouldn't really do this with a screwdriver, but there we go. I'm going to have to obviously replace all this unit, I think. It's all going to be scratched and buggered and dented. But I do need to get fuel in the car. Come on, motherfudger. The last thing is going to be, I'm just going to rag this off completely, leaving the plastic inside, and then I'll just, obviously the plastic's brittle, I'll be able to get the plastic out then, no problem, hopefully, he says. No, that's not going to do it. Right, okay, that's the last thing. Now I'm going to rag the bastard off now, which is this method, just basically. There we go. Well, that worked. Just twist it. So we need a new fuel cap. But that's off. So that's the way you do it. Bit of brute force, basically. Hopefully that helps you if you've got this issue. Bit of brute force. Yeah, you can basically you can try and pick the barrel out if you want. I've seen people do that. I've seen people completely, get a screwdriver and jam it off completely, and it snaps if it's got plastic behind it. But just basically stick the screwdriver in and just turn it with a bit of brute force and it will come out. So you need to get another one of those now, don't I? Right, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that helps you.